In today's video, we are going to be looking at Christian McCaffrey, and he is an amazing running back. He's also a very good receiver as well, and we're going to be really breaking down his game. So let's take a look. In this first play, he is going to be the blocker who then gets to break out after he sets a couple of blocks, if he does even do that. He actually doesn't in this play, but what we're going to be looking at right now is right here. And what I really want you to focus on is the small hop. So he's setting that block. There's nobody to block for him. And there's also no defenders on this side. This player is going to be coming down. He sees that. He sees that this defender is up here. He needs to get into this open spot over here. And how he does that is a quick, watch his feet, quick hop, and then pushes off his left toes to be able to break free. Now, he is wide open on this side. He gets that ball. He then catches that ball and looks right away, trying to see what the defenders are about to do. He takes a couple steps out towards that right side. Now, he sees that he's got a blocker coming on this side, so he's not about to run and beat that player. He's got another defender down here. So, of course, that is a dead ball, essentially, if he wants to try and go out towards the sidelines. So what he does here is he takes a quick small steps and he allows the time for that blocker to come over and block that player. So he goes left, right, takes a big step right over here, and then he pushes off of that right foot and then goes back towards the left side, does a quick juke right one more time to try and break that defender over towards that right side. He now sees he's got a blocker here. He just needs to get past this defender, and he's got some room to run. So that's what he's done. He's got rid of that defender. That guy is blocking. Now, he now sees that this man can come down and possibly block over here. And so he just needs to run quickly between that hole, and that's what he does. Now he's just in a foot race to try and get as much yards as possible. He's not going to be able to break back right. He's got a couple of defenders over here if he was to try and do that. So he just needs to try and get a lot of yardage up that middle, and that's what he's able to do. Now, I really want you to see this next clip. So what we have here is originally he was supposed to be going out towards his right, our left, but instead there was a bigger gap on this side, so he cut back and went through the larger gap. So what is he able to do now? He's got a couple of defenders who are possibly in his way from getting some yardage, but he is a very smart player. He knows that he cannot go this way. He has two defenders who could take him. He has a blocker on this side, so what he does is he hopes that his blocker is smart enough to move this defender over towards this side so he can have a gap on that side, and that's what he does. So he then cuts out towards that hole, get around that defender outreaching to him. That blocker does his job. He's able to find that hole, and then he's able to block two tackles there, and then he's able to get some yardage. He's able to push off that player, but what does he do back here? He's able to keep his feet in front of him. You don't want to be running with your feet hitting your butt in that situation. You want to keep your feet in front of you, and then he's able to keep off that defender, and he's able to run in for a lot of yards. So now in this first clip, what we see is a quick handoff, and this could have gone either way, but in reality, what he should have been looking at is to go out wide, but instead he sees two defenders who have basically overloaded that side, who are going to be on him if he doesn't cut back, and he can't loop back around. He's got two defenders on that side as well. He needs to go up the middle, and that's what he does here. He keeps his head up. He sees that those defenders are now shifting towards that side, and he has a blocker in front of him. So he's able to break that hole, and then he's able to run. And he can run, and he can run, and he can run, and nobody is going to catch him. Nobody's going to catch him at all, and he gets himself a touchdown. That all started from looking at the field, reading the defense on that side, and then noticing he has a blocker up the middle who can now block the initial tackler, blocker, whatever, defender, and he's able to get some running room, and he's able to capitalize on that space. So now we're looking at him as a receiver. Remember I said he's a good receiver, even though he's a running back? And of course the Panthers were using him in this situation as well. So here we see him sprinting up, Then he slows down just a bit. And why you want to slow down in this situation is because now you want to scan the defense. You want to get them down on their heels. And of course, now he could have cut back on this side, or he can go and cut up the middle. And that's what we see him do. He does a quick jab towards his left side, like if he's going to be going out towards the sideline. Of course, this quarterback is already looking at him. They know, they should know that he is their number one option in this case. And he fakes out like if he's going to be cutting out towards the sideline, but instead sees that there's a wide open space in the middle of this defense, in the middle of this zone. He's able to get that ball. He lands on his right foot, left foot, and then what he does is, instead of cutting back, because he would have been stopped probably on that yard line there, instead he cuts back on his right foot and pushes, or at least tries to push through those two defenders, and gets an extra, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, possibly 6 yards on that play instead. So by using your footwork to your advantage, as well as your knowledge on what the defenders are doing on the field, where they're defending, and some openings that you can capitalize on, you can definitely now go ahead and become one of the best running backs or receivers on your team. I hope that this video has helped you become a better running back and receiver. If it has, hit that like button and subscribe, and I will see you guys again next time.